Let's flip it. Oh. Smooth. 3. Oh! Perfect. So, it's a huge banana pancake, guys. Nilakihan ko na para isahang luto lang. Ang mga ingredients na ginamit ko dito ay 2 ripe bananas, 4 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk powder kasi wala akong fresh milk, 1 egg, and some amount of water. Pinaghalo ko lang yun, and this is our finished product. Thank you.